Most students think that the digital SAT starts to get serious during Module 2, but this is one of the biggest mistakes you can make as a test taker. Module 1 is not just a warm up, it helps decide what type of Module 2 you end up getting. So if you rush, you panic, or you make careless mistakes, your scoring opportunities may be limited even before the test feels difficult. A lot of students treat the first few questions very casually on the digital SAT. They think these are easy questions and I can move fast here and I can save time for later. But that is where the problem is. Easy and medium questions are exactly where you cannot afford your careless mistakes. The digital SAT is looking for evidence of your skill level. If you miss questions that you should have easily got right, the test may not be able to see where your true ability lies. The digital SAT is adapted by module. That means that it does not change after every single question, but rather, after you complete the first module, your performance helps determine whether your second module is harder or easier. A stronger module 1 can lead to a harder module 2, which gives you more opportunity to show your higher level performance. A weaker module 1 can lead to a less difficult module 2, which will limit your score potential. This is why careless mistakes in module 1 are very, very expensive. If you miss a single hard question, that may simply show the test that the question was, challenging. But if you miss an easier question because you rushed, you misread, or you made a simple arithmetic error, that sends a completely different signal. The test interprets that as a weakness and a skill that you were expected to know. So the goal in Module 1 is not to be fast or to be speedy. The goal is to have controlled accuracy. Let's imagine two students with very similar ability. Student A takes Module 1 carefully, they answer the easy and medium questions accurately, and they only struggle on a few hard questions. Student B is also smart, but they rush. They make two careless mistakes early, spend too long on one hard question, and they guess the last. Even if both students are capable, the test sees completely different evidence. Student A looks more consistent, student B looks less reliable, and that difference can affect your path to your Module 2. Your strategy should be very simple. First, protect the questions that you know how to solve. Second, do not let one hard question steal time from 4 easier questions. Third, use the built-in tools carefully. Mark questions you want to return to, eliminate wrong answer choices, use Desmos when it helps, especially in math. But do not overuse tools just because they're available. Module 1 is about showing clean, consistent, accurate performance. Another really big mistake that students make in Module 1 is being emotionally attached to one question. A student sees a question and thinks, oh, I can solve this for sure. They spend 3 minutes on it, 4 minutes, and then they panic because their time is disappearing. On the SAT, your job is not to prove that you can solve every single question in order. Your job is to maximize correct answers. If a question is taking too long, mark it, move on, and come back if time allows it to happen. For parents, this is very important. If your child is saying, I'm learning the material, but their score is not improving, the problem may not be in their knowledge. It may be in their execution. Ask, are they missing easy questions? Are they rushing Module 1? Are they spending too much time on hard questions? Are they reviewing mistakes by type? Digital SAT improvement is not just about more studying, it is about better diagnosis. Alright, here is your Module 1 action plan. Number 1, slow down slightly on easy and medium questions. Number 2, do not spend too long on a single hard question. Number 3, mark uncertain questions and return later. Number 4, after every single practice test, separate your Module 1 mistakes into 4 categories: careless mistakes, content, timing, and guessing mistakes. Once you do that, you stop practicing randomly and you start improving your score strategically. The biggest takeaway you should take from this video is very simple. Module 1 is your score foundation. Do not treat it like a warm-up. Treat it like the part of the test where you prove your accuracy, your consistency, and your pacing. In the next video, we'll talk about why taking more SAT practice tests does not always lead to a higher score. Follow Prepitus for smarter SAT strategy, math tips, reading and writing guidance, and score improvement planning. Thank you guys for watching this video.